for have results. Because that is what we need. Because if you don't have results, you don't have sales. Am I right? And if you don't have sales, you don't have earnings. At the end of the day, if you don't have earnings, it is impossible for you to enjoy and to achieve what dreams you wanted to achieve in this business. Now, what we are doing here right now, this is what we call Speakers Guild Program. Can everybody say Speakers Guild Program? Speakers Guild Program. Now, this program it has something to do with, we would like to duplicate ourselves, me and Mr. EJ and Coach Adi. The board of directors, the management of Dynase Global have formulated this wonderful program to make sure that each and every member of Dynase Global all over the world can easily do this business with proper knowledge, with proper skills, with proper training. Because I do believe if you are knowledgeable on what the things that you are doing, things will become easy. Am I right? Now it's just like what we are doing. We are doing right now networking. Can everybody say networking? Networking. We need to grow our team. Okay? We need to grow our group. Alright? And then with networking, we must apply this word leveraging. Can everybody say leveraging? Leveraging. Now what is leveraging? This is what we are teaching to you right now. Imagine if there is only one person speaking, teaching the BOP, teaching the trainings for members, teaching for the skills for members, things will become very slow. Am I right? Yeah. Things will be very difficult. However, if Mr. Renz have started training Mr. Apon from KL, let's give him a big round of applause. Elisa from Sabah, let's give her a round of applause. What is her name, man? Lily. And Mr. Apon have taught Lily. Let's give her a big round of applause. What is her name, sir? Charles. And Apon also teach Charles. Let's give Charles a big round of applause. And Felicia have teach KB from Nigeria. Let's give KB a big round of applause. And another one from Cambodia. Any name from Cambodia? Any name? Naro. Let's give her a big round of applause. Now let me ask you, if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the one doing BOP, easy or good? Good. Is it good? Am I right? Things will become easy. Now our goal here, we wanted each and every member to know how to present the business. Because our business here, ladies and gentlemen, my wonderful aces all over the world, don't forget that this business has something to do with sharing. Can everybody say sharing? Sharing. We will share the products, we will share the business opportunity in order for people to see what Dynase Global is doing, to see the wonderful business, the wonderful products that Dynase Global has, and the wonderful opportunity that each and every people all over the world can enjoy in Dynase Global. Let's give Dynase Global a big round of applause. So right now, again, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who hasn't yet registered, please register, because at the end of our presentation, all these training modules, we will send it to each and every one of you, so you can localize it. Let's say in Cambodia, in Malaysia, you can translate it into Bahasa, okay? Nigeria, oh my God, Nigerians are really one of the best people that I have met over the world. By the way, before anything else, I would like to say something about myself. So at least you will know me. My name is Mr. Renz. Can everybody say Renz? Renz! Right. I won't mention my age. Okay. I've been in this network marketing industry for 20 years. Okay, and I'm staying in Africa for 18 years. In fact, I was so happy because the time that I arrived here in Malaysia, last week, I checked the list of all the awardees. I was so happy because on the part of the awardees, one of my former marketing staff on my previous company, take note, he is a staff on our previous company. I saw his name in Dynas Global right now. He is already a Team Star awardee. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to appreciate, let's give a big round of applause. Amy, can you please stand up, Mr. Capitu from Lagos? Okay, thank you so much, Amy. Congratulations. I was really amazed because before, in fact, way back 2014, 10 years or 11 years ago, we are together at Lagos. We are doing the same thing. And he is one of our staff. KB, play the music. KB, play this one. KB, do this one. KB, arrange the chair. But he saw something. Okay? He saw something in this kind of opportunity. That if we produce millionaires, he himself can do it also. Yeah. And look at the results that he is having right now. Imagine a former marketing staff that is earning at least $100 to $150 in every month. Can you imagine that? And you don't have a choice. Remember, KB, you need to come to the office 8 o'clock in the morning and leave the office 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. If we fail to go to work, no salary. No salary. Okay? But now he is enjoying financial freedom because of this wonderful opportunity. Wow. Yeah. Now, and also in Western Africa, have you heard of what is happening in Ivory Coast? Have you heard that the top one in Ivory Coast is earning $67,000 every month? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine $67,000 entering your pocket every month? Will you enjoy or not? Yeah. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I know some of us here might be saying, Mr. Renz, yeah, I like money. However, money is not that much important to me. I still prefer love. I love my family. It's okay. But you know one thing. Even though money is not that much important to you, that's okay. But let me tell you something. Money, each and everything here in this world has something to do with money. Yeah. You know, in our country, in Philippines, even you wanted to ease yourself in the toilet, you have to pay money. Can you imagine that? Oh, where's your toilet? I want to ease myself. You have to pay for 5 ringgit or 10 ringgit. Can you imagine that? And ladies and gentlemen, money can control you. Money can control us. Okay? You go to a restaurant. You know restaurant. And what is the first thing you're going to ask from the restaurant? Menu. Am I right? Menu. Once you open the menu, there is left and there is right. Am I right? And where do you usually look first? At the right side. What is written on the right side? Price. Will you eat the price? Can you imagine that? Imagine you're hungry. Oh my God, I'm really hungry. I wanted to eat, chicken, carbonara, pizza. Oh, I like this biryani. Once you look at the rates, I wait to just give a bottle of water. It can control you, am I right? Yeah. And let's say, imagine, you only have 10 ringgit or $10 on your pocket. You wanted to eat. You are in front of 5-star hotel. Even though the 10 ringgit on your pocket doesn't have mouth, the moment that you stand in front of the door of that 5-star hotel, it will going to shout at you loud. Hey, you don't have the right to enter. You go on the street, you buy sausages and make sure. Can you imagine that? However, if you have enough money, if you are financially free, like what is happening in other countries, it can give you confidence. Can everybody say confidence? Confidence. Okay. Confidence, one more time. Confidence. We are dealing with confidence in Dynas Global, ladies and gentlemen. And it should reflect on each and everybody's earning. Okay? It will give you confidence. Imagine, you have a lot of money, or you only have card. You know credit card. Your credit card has $67,000 every month. You enter the restaurant, you sit down, waiter will approach you and give you the menu. You will tell to the waiter, I don't need that. Give me the most expensive food that you have because you can afford it. Am I right? Yeah. That's the best thing if you will be financially free. and my wonderful agents all over the world, we are trying to give our very best. The management and the board of directors are doing its very best to make this business easy for each and every one of you by formulating this wonderful program. Alright? Wherein you yourself can learn, you yourself can duplicate it to your respective downlines and your team. Take note, here in this business, you don't need to be great. You don't need to be great to become a great speaker. Alright? Because some of you might be saying, Mr. Renz, I'm not good in speaking. I cannot stand on the stage. I cannot handle the microphone. I'm so afraid whenever I stand in front of crowds. You don't need to be a great speaker. What matters most here is just understand what you are doing and express it in your own words, where you will be more comfortable, where you can be easily understood by your listeners whenever you share this wonderful opportunity. Now let me ask you, are we ready to learn?
Yeah.
Are we ready to learn?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome to our Speakers Guild Program Special Training Malaysia Headquarters Edition. Alright. So this is our Success Academy. Dynamics Success Academy. Alright, these are the trainings that we will be undergoing. Everybody will start at BOP. Everybody say BOP.
BOP.
This is what we call Business Opportunity Presentation. Alright, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, later we will be having some discussion. Don't be afraid if I ask you to stand, if I ask you to speak. Alright? Don't be afraid. I won't bite you, I won't eat you. Alright? We came here for us to learn. Am I right? Okay. Now, Mr. Reyes, what is BOP? Business Opportunity Presentation. Okay? Next, NMO. Everybody say NMO. NMO. New Members Orientation. Next, DST. Everybody say DST. DST. Dynamics Skills Training. Next is DFS. Everybody say DFS. DFS. Okay, they're not in fast start. Next is IPT. Everybody say IPT. IPT. Intensive Product Training. Next is POT. Everybody say POT. POT. Okay, the POT is back office training, and we even have seasonal big events and trainings. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a cycle. Okay? A cycle that each and everybody must undergo. Now, let's start discussing it one by one. For POP, okay, POP, this is basic. Each and every members, each and every one of you must learn how to do the POP. Now, what are the things that is being discussed in POP? In POP, ladies and gentlemen, first part, we give them knowledge about products. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Second part, we give them knowledge about the marketing plan. How to make money. Now, it doesn't need for us to explain everything here. Okay? The entire presentation of POP, take a look at this, should run for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Not 3 hours, not 2 hours, because take note, most of our attendees here are guests. Am I right? Most of the attendees here are guests. As much as possible, whenever we present, we try our very best to be understood by our listeners, by our guests, the simplest way as much as possible. We try to do our presentation as simple as we can, because take note, don't expect the guests to stay on our presentation for so long. Some of them are just being kidnapped by the uplines. Okay, please attend. It's just only 1.5 hours. Okay? After this, I will treat you at KFC. We will eat at McDonald's. We will eat at Jollibee. Alright? I will even fetch you from your house. Are we together here? Alright? So we don't have to explain everything. And take note, your guests will never understand. Imagine on the products. You are going to discuss nicotinamide, mononucleotide, and so on and so forth. They will never understand that. Okay? So that's why later we will be giving you advice how to present the BOP in the simplest way. Okay? And then after letting them attend the BOP, some of them will join. Am I right? Some of them might still join, might not yet join, okay, or might not yet be decided. So we suggest, if you wanted to learn more, kindly you can attend again our next session of BOP. Now, for those who will attend, let them attend the NMO. Everybody say NMO. NMO. Now, what is NMO? This is New Member Orientation. From the word itself, orientation. Okay? We need to provide proper orientation to our newly registered members, or else, mark my words, after they join, and if you fail to give them proper orientation, they will all be gone.
Good morning.
You know, they just receive the package, okay? Apply! Where is the product? Okay, receive the package, they will receive the package, and after that, they are nowhere to be found. Because they must be properly oriented on how to get started in doing this business. Alright? If you will provide them proper orientation, mark my words, they will become independent. They will be ready on the possible things that might happen, that they will experience in doing this business. Alright? And then, after they attend the NMO, after they attend the orientation, this is now the right time for us to teach this what we call DFS. Now, what is DFS? Sorry, DST first. Okay, DST. What is DST? Dynamic Skills Training. Now, in this training, again, all of the attendees in this training will be members. Even NMO members. Now, what is Dynamic Skills Training? This is the right time for us to teach them the trainings, the skills that they needed. Mr. Reds, what are those skills? Prospecting skills. Invitation skills. How to invite. How to prospect. Okay? How to properly present. How to follow up. This is the best time for them. Now, after that, they need more trainings. It's not yet done. That's the time we let them attend the DFS. The DFS, that is what we call Dynamic Fast Start, for further foundation and for more learning. And after that, they can even attend IPT. What is IPT? Can everybody read this? Okay. Mr. Renz, a while ago, there is product in BOP. There is also product again in IPT. Take note. In BOP, we cannot explain further more on the products because, like what I have said, we will just try our very best to present the products as simple as possible because our guests will never understand that. Alright? This is the right time and the right module for us to discuss those nicotinamide, mononucleotide, all the products in a deeper understanding, like what Dr. Raj is doing. Are we together? In fact, we are so blessed because we are preparing Mr. E.J. Mr. E.J. is a graduate and a registered nurse. Alright? Time will come, he will also do this. He will also handle this. And that is also the reason why we are asking each and every one of you about your occupation. Because for those of you who has medical background, nurse, let's say a physicist or a pharmacist that has something to do with medicine or that has something to do with medical thing, we are also trying our very best in time to train you to handle this. Are you going to see are you seeing yourself doing these trainings in time? Alright. And now after that, there is BOT. Mr. Renz, what is BOT? Back office training. Definitely, you have a newly registered members that learn the skills, that learn some foundation, that have learned the products. They need to learn and to become independent how to encode. Am I right? Each and every one of you has your own back office. Am I right? Your website. You must learn yourself how to encode, how to encash money, how to buy products, and so on and so forth. Because what is happening right now, each and every one of us here are just always depending and relying to our upline. Upline! I need to buy products. Upline! I need to encash my money. Upline! Whether you like it it or not, time will come, you will become upline. Am I right? And what do you expect if you will rely so much on your upline? What will happen if you have already respective downline? Imagine your downline will ask you, the upline learns, what are we going to do? How am I going to invite? How am I going to encode? And how am I going to buy products? Wait, let's ask upline. Can you imagine that? Each and every one of us here must become independent because each and every one of us here are business owner. You are the owner of your own business. Are you with me? Yeah. And take note, our main goal here, you must create an empire. Everybody say empire. 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 Huge group and huge network. If Ivory Coast are making it, you guys can do it better than them. Do you believe on that? Yes. Yes. I still do believe. Malaysians, Cambodians, Burundi, definitely my dearly beloved Kenyans in the house, Ugandans, alright? And definitely Nigerians. Each and every one of you can do better than what they are doing right now. If they are earning $67,000 US in a month, mark my words, there is a sleeping giant that is sleeping in each and every one of you that we have to awaken. Are you with me? Yes. I will be the most happiest person in this world. That time will come. We are going to unleash the first ever icon in Dynasty Global that will be coming from this wonderful place. Yeah. Can we do that?
Yes, we can.
Alright? And with the help of our training system, or this is what we call Dynasty Success Academy. Mr. Renz, is it easy? Definitely, it's not easy. However, I do believe in this world that even the most difficult thing in this world can be learned. Am I right? If you will find time and if you will embrace the process, mark my words, you will going to see results. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a proven system that I've been doing for the past 18 years that I've already created a lot of millionaires from different parts of Africa. Some of those Africans knows me here, and some of those Africans knows this system, and they're already applying it. So we just wanted to share it to each and every one of you because we wanted to make the best of each and every one of you. Now, after this POD, we're going to have CSEL training. There will be times that we will be asking some of you to speak, to share your wonderful experience, to share your network journey, to inspire others. This is what we call CSEL sharing. And there will be some big trainings, big events, like what we're having right now. Alright? If there is a chance for you to learn, attend. Especially if it's free. This training right now is free. Am I right? Yeah. Did anybody charge you that you have to pay 10 or 20 ringgit? This is free. In fact, later in few minutes or in few hours, each and everyone here, in fact, that is being provided by our dearly beloved CEO Harry P. and CSO Charles Chima, we're gonna have our lunch. Okay? Can you imagine that? You know, we wanted each and every one of you to learn, so once you go back to your respective countries, you have this thing on your mind and in your heart. And once again, let me remind each and every one of you, please register. Make sure you write your WhatsApp number because everything here will be sent to you after this. So you can do it, you can use it, alright? You can translate it to Cambodian language, to Malaysian language, to African language, to French. So you can use it everywhere. Alright? Now, Mr. Rex, why is it a cycle? Do I still need to attend POP? Ladies and gentlemen, as much as possible, if there will always be a POP, attend. There might be speakers here who will be standing in front of you today. Right now, Mr. Rex is speaking. The next day, some might attend and join and listen to POP with different speakers. There are some learnings that you can learn from me that you can never learn from other speakers. There are some learnings that you can learn from other speakers that you will never learn from me. What matters most, if there is a chance and if there's a way for you to learn, for you to learn and acquire more knowledge, find time to attend. Okay? Mr. Renz, I'm a member. Do I still need to attend BOP? This is the right time for you to attend and to learn more. And at the same time, to bring your guests. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Because imagine, the good thing in this business, can you imagine the good thing in this business? If you guys are doing presentation online, let's say Mr. Apon is presenting online. So he will be the one to do the products and marketing plan in BOP. The only thing you have to do is to invite. Am I right? Is to invite. If your invites, listen and saw the presentation. Mr. Apon is the one who did the presentation. And if your guest becomes interested and join the business, who will learn? It's you. Am I right? Can you imagine? That's a good thing here. So whenever there is a BOP presentation, some of you might be saying, Mr. Renz, I cannot yet speak. I cannot yet explain because I've just joined recently. I've just joined yesterday. Well, no problem. While you are learning the business, there is still a way for you to invite guests. And if your guest becomes interested while you are learning, there is a chance for you to earn. Are you getting me? And learning is a continuous process. Can everybody say that?
Learning is a continuous process.
Okay, every day we must make sure we learn. Let's say right now today, imagine if you will not, there are some leaders who didn't attend today. That's okay. But mark my words, after this, one thing that you can tell to yourself, I will never regret that I've attended today's presentation because today I have learned something new. And that is what happens. Alright? So let's give ourselves a big round of applause. So this is what I'm trying to discuss a while ago. Okay? Every time that you will conduct NMO, 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Maximum. DST, 1 hour to 1.5 hours. DMS, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I will share this to you, so don't worry, you don't have to snap. You're gonna have your modules. And the good thing on the modules, there is already a script. Let me share you something. This is NMO. Okay, and if you can see here, if you can see one of the slides, okay, we have indicated here some scripts. Okay? You don't have to memorize everything. What matters most, you just understand. So once you will see this slide, oh, something will pop up on your mind. Are you with me?
Yes.
There are some slides here. Look at the other slides. There are already scripts. Okay? That will help you and that will serve as your guide. Alright. So, for those who are not speaking English, I would really suggest assign someone to translate everything so you can use it and you localize it. Okay, so let's move on. In fact, I'm eating so much now. Okay, now, before I continue, ladies and gentlemen, this topic, I would like to introduce a wonderful person, a colleague of mine, a good friend of mine, that have also stayed in Africa. He is a registered nurse, okay, in Philippines, and he is a former country manager in one of the African countries, specifically Kenya, on our previous company. And he is also in charge of the operations. Now, he would like to share his insights and his knowledge on this kind of industry where each and every one of you can learn. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome. Let's give him a big round of applause, Mr. EJ.
Thank you so much, Mr. Renz. I think the room has just started getting hot.